What are eukaryotic cells? Imagine a tiny city where each building has a special job, working together to keep everything running smoothly. That's what a eukaryotic cell is like. These cells are the building blocks of plants, animals, fungi, and many tiny organisms called protists. They are more complex than simple cells because they have many different parts, called organelles, each with a specific role. The most noticeable feature of a eukaryotic cell is its nucleus. Think of it as the city hall that holds all the city's important plans and information. Inside the nucleus, the cell's genetic material, called DNA, is stored. This DNA is like a set of instructions that tell the cell how to grow, develop, and do its job. The nucleus is surrounded by a double-layered membrane called the nuclear envelope, which controls what enters and leaves. Surrounding the nucleus is the cell's outer boundary, called the plasma membrane. It is flexible and made of fats and proteins. This membrane acts like a gatekeeper, deciding what can go in and out of the cell. Some eukaryotic cells, like those in plants and fungi, also have a tough outer wall called a cell wall. It gives the cell shape and extra protection. Inside the cell, there are several important organelles. The mitochondria are like power plants, converting nutrients into energy that the cell can use. The endoplasmic reticulum is a network of tubes that makes and processes proteins and fats. The Golgi apparatus is like a shipping center, packaging and sending these molecules to where they are needed. Lysosomes are small recycling centers that break down waste and damaged parts. In plant cells, there are special structures called chloroplasts. These capture sunlight and turn it into energy through a process called photosynthesis. This is how plants make their own food. The cell also has a cytoskeleton, a network of fibers that keeps the shape of the cell, helps it move, and keeps the organelles organized. Eukaryotic cells are the reason why multicellular organisms like us, plants, and fungi can grow big and perform many different functions. Their compartmentalized structure allows them to do many chemical reactions at once, which is why they are so versatile. Understanding these cells helps us see how life works in all its amazing forms, from tiny single-celled organisms to complex beings like humans.